Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Bilal and I am a serial entrepreneur and a branding specialist in Mysuru. And as an alumni of SBRR Mahajana's first grade college, the experience today which I would like to share is whatever success I have today as an entrepreneur, as a speaker, as a resource person, when I go to the companies, when I talk to the clients, or when I'm training entrepreneurs, or when I'm conducting training even in the colleges, this platform, the beginning of it was given to me, the first platform of my life was given to me by SBRR Mahajanas. Because here, once I finished my PU, I came in. A lot of people say that SSLC is the turning point when it comes to the life of a student, but I must tell you it is the degree, because 18 you have already reached and you have entered into a degree college. This is where you mold as a man or as a woman, as an adult, and this is where I get molded. So I'll never forget the platform it gave me. Every week in the weekly assemblies, I started talking, I started participating. I was into charity club. I was also, into the sports club. So all these, it is not just the studies which helped me here. It is the overall growth and the platform for the overall growth which was provided by this college. So today, somewhere down the line, if I have to say, one of the reasons for my success, I must say it is Mahajanas. And even our crowd, the way the faculties treated us, they molded us, they gave us extra time, they acted as our mentors, they corrected us whenever we did mistakes, and they also, gave us the direction of where we can put our energy. Because at that age, the very important thing which nobody talks about is the energy. We'll be full of energy, lot of enthusiasm, but we do not know how to channelize it. And this is the institution which channelized my energy, which gave me a platform, and which gave me that first step towards success which I have achieved today. So everybody who is watching this video, I must tell you, I feel one of the lucky fellow to be the alumni of SBRR Mahajana's first grade college, and I would love to come back anytime and every time to this college and relive those memories. Thank you.